Hi friends, how are you? In this video we are going to learn about the functional anatomy of thyroid gland. Thyroid is an important endocrine gland that primarily governs the rate at which metabolism occurs in the individual cells. Thyroid hormones profoundly influence normal growth and development of individual. They are essential for mental and psychological development in infancy and early childhood. Though thyroid hormones are not very essential for immediate maintenance of vital functions of life, their deficiency causes severe deficit in mental and physical growth and extreme decrease in body metabolism. Thyroid gland also influences calcium metabolism by secreting calcitonin from its parafollicular cells. What is secreted from the thyroid gland from its parafollicular cells? Calcitonin. Functional anatomy, general aspects. Coming to development. Thyroid gland develops from floor of primitive pharynx during third week of gestation. Along with thyroglossal duct, it migrates from floor of tongue to the neck. Therefore, ectopic thyroid gland may be located at the base of tongue, which is called as lingual thyroid. Normally, thyroid hormone synthesis begins at about 11th week of gestation. Coming to the questions. Where thyroid gland develops? From where thyroid gland develops? It develops from floor of primitive pharynx. What is the gestation period? It starts developing third week of gestation. Along with thyroglossal duct, it migrates from where to where? Along with thyroglossal duct, it migrates from floor of tongue to the neck. Dash gland may be located at the base of tongue. Ectopic thyroid gland. It is ectopic thyroid gland also known as lingual thyroid. Normally, thyroid hormone synthesis begins at which week of gestation? Normally, thyroid hormone synthesis begins at about 11th week of gestation. Next location. Thyroid gland is present on the anterior aspect of neck. It is located at anterior aspect of neck. It is located anterior to trachea between cricoid cartilage and suprasternal notch. It consists of two lobes which are connected by a band of thyroid tissue called isthmus. Sometimes an extra thyroidal tissue arises from isthmus, which is called as pyramidal lobe. The weight of thyroid gland in a healthy adult is about 15 and 20 grams. 4 teeny parathyroid glands are located posteriorly at each pole of thyroid gland. At which aspect of neck thyroid gland is present? At anterior aspect. Thyroid gland is located anterior to trachea between dash and dash, between cricoid cartilage and suprasternal notch. How many lobes? contains in thyroid gland and it connected by band of tissue called thyroid gland consists of two lobes and these are connected by a band of tissue called isthmus. What is pyramidal lobe? Explain. Sometimes an extra thyroidal tissue arises from isthmus. It is called pyramidal lobe. Pyramidal lobe is the extended part of isthmus. What is the weight of the thyroid gland in a healthy adult? It is between the 15 and 20 grams. How many teeny parathyroid glands are located in posteriorly at each pole of thyroid gland? 4 teeny parathyroid glands are located posteriorly. Coming to blood supply. Thyroid gland has a rich blood supply which is maximal among all endocrine glands. Blood flow per gram is even more than that of kidneys. The blood supply to thyroid glands is derived from the superior and inferior thyroid arteries that originate from external carotid and subclavian arteries respectively. The thyroid veins drain into external jugular and innominate veins. Which gland has maximal blood supply among all endocrine organs? Which has more? Thyroid glands. And blood flow per gram is even more than that of kidneys. Thyroid gland gets blood supply from which arteries and their origin? And the blood supply of thyroid gland is derived from superior and inferior thyroid arteries. Superior artery is from external carotid artery and inferior artery is from subclavian arteries. Thyroid gland drain into dash. Thyroid gland drain into external jugular and innominate veins. Innervation. Thyroid gland is innervated by autonomic nerves. The fibers for sympathetic innervation originate from cervical ganglia and fibers for parasympathetic innervation travel in vagus nerve. Autonomic innervation regulates the delivery of thyroid stimulating hormone and iodide to the gland by controlling vasomotor tone. Sympathetic innervation plays important role as it has direct influence on functions of thyroid cells. Thyroid gland is innervated by dash nerves. It is innervated by autonomic nerves. The fibers for sympathetic innervation is originated from which ganglia? Fibers for sympathetic innervation is originated from which ganglia? Cervical ganglia. And the fibers for parasympathetic innervation travel in which nerve? It is vagus nerve. Parasympathetic nerve fibers, it is travel through vagus nerve. Whenever talking about the sympathetic, its origination from the cervical ganglia. It is about ganglia, sympathetic. Para is about nerve, that is vagus. Autonomic innervation regulates delivery of thyroid stimulating hormone and iodide to the gland by controlling vasomotor tone. Autonomic innervation. Autonomic innervation regulates delivery of dash and dash to gland by controlling vasomotor tone. Autonomic innervation regulates delivery of thyroid stimulating hormone and iodine to the gland by controlling which tone? By controlling the vasomotor tone. Sympathetic innervation plays important role as it direct influences on functions of thyroid cells. This sympathetic innervation Plays important role in direct sympathetic innervation. Sympathetic, don't forget, it is sympathetic. Plays important role in direct influence on functions of thyroid glands. This is the thyroid gland. This is the thyroid gland. It is connected by the isthmus and the blood supply to the thyroid gland is by superior thyroid artery, inferior thyroid artery, and the superior thyroid artery is originated from external carotid artery, and inferior thyroid artery is originated from subclavian artery. These are the subclavian artery. And another there is an projection, there is an elevation that is originated from the isthmus. In some cases it is called pyramidal lobe. It is not appearing here, but it's okay. This one is the branch that coming from the inferior thyroid artery is thyrocervical trunk, and the thyroidea that is originated from the artery of aorta from the right subclavian artery. In some cases this is the thyrohyoid membrane. This is the thyrohyoid membrane. This is the hyoid bone. This is the thyroid gland, thyroid cartilage. So thyrohyoid membrane. In next video we are going to learn about the histology of thyroid gland. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. If you need any particular topic, comment me. Thank you.